Friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the string ascending or descending order in C language. So yes, first I share my laptop screen. So here fix the position and here turbo C++ is there. I just double click and take some process and now yes is open alter F file menu taking a new file and here our goal write a program to enter one string and print it ascending or descending order or descending order. So yes, I think you have to know ascending or descending. We have to already learn in the uh, integer 1D array, ascending a 1D array, 2D array. So here string 1D array, we can short A to Z or Z to A. A to Z means ascending and Z to A is descending. So yes, I think you have to know very well, simple definition is there. And here our input and that is our technique process and then our output. So there are three parts, divide and conquer to your definition. So enter one string, that is our input, and print it ascending order or descending order, that is our output, but in between some process. So here I include the section header file stdio.h and conio.h. The two header file is here is required, and now we can first scan. Yes, here character 1D array and str1 string 1 and 20 character. So yes, now first we can check, and then integer, that is I and j, there are two, and then temp also, because swap logic is always that in ascending or descending. So here temp also, and first we can scan one string. So yes, enter one string, that is our input. So we can use get as, not a scanf function. So here str1, and then we can output also. So first input output, the string is, yes, and percentage s, or also we can use the test function. Yes, so that is no problem. So you can also percentage s and print, that no any problem. So yes, and then you can take the get ch, yes, and then we can, yes, first save this file f2, and then name we have to give the ascending descending. So here a string ascending or descending. So string dot asc ascending and descending, but ascending we have to. So yes, first I compiled this file. Yes, there is no any error, and let us check. I give any name of file that we have to done, and now I enter one string. This is a pan. Yes, so that is pan is print, but ascending order. So we can, yes, how to, so that is our input and that is our output. So in between there is here some logic we have to define, and you have to know very well there is a selection sort. Yes, a zero element compared to the rest of all elements. So here we can string compare. So I is zero, means start to zero index, and str of I not equal to null. Yes, so here single slash zero, that is also, and then I plus plus. So yes, and nested for loop is used, and if is also required. So here I take the j, and j equal to I plus 1. So because the zero character compared to the 1 means a zero index compared to the second means one index. So that is second element, and rest of all. So at the first round of our outer loop is complete. So smallest means element set to zero position. So next after second element compared to the rest of all element. So that is a selection sort. and here str again, and then here we can j, and here not equal to, I use the capital null. So there are two possibilities here, slash single slash 0 is also null, and capital null, that also null value, and semicolon and j plus plus, and then we can take if condition. So if str of 1, or we can here only string array, only one is there. Here I remove the one, not required, because only one string, not two strings. So 1 and 2 is not required, string only. So I remove one, yes, string only. So I is we can say that less than, yes, so that is a ascending order. So j, yes, so that, and then our three swap statement like integer. So temp is a str of I, we can feed the str of I, and then str of I assigned to str of j, yes, and str j is a free, so we can assign to temp. So same logic in our like integer swapping. So in ascending order, that string here we can print. So yes, I think that's simple. Yes, that is our logic is applied to for loop, and that selection sort, zero element, zero index compared to the rest of all index in first iteration, second iteration, first means one index, that the second element compared to the rest of all element, and then step by step that one iteration, one element, zero, then one, two, three, that number of time index is set. So yes, I save, yes, and compile, and then run. Yes, so what here is a, yes, here we cannot change, yes, str, yes, the name I changed, so that obviously. So now here we can enter like our, this is a pan, so that is a ascending order, yes. So yes, all first SSENIIHEAT, yes. So let us check how perfectly or not. So here str of I is less than of str of j. So and j and I assigned to borrow perfectly or not. Yes, let us check. So one by one, so we can give some understanding like, no, this is a pen, but yes, all are where or not. So yes, here is a perfectly or logic is there, no any change is required. Let us check. I all, so I is there, null, yes, so all are well, and yes, so str only one string is there. Okay, so mm, so our logic is perfect. So let us check. I null, yes, here j plus 1, yes, that perfectly, and I think just no any error. So temp str of I, str of I free, and str of I j, j is a temp. Yes, so anything mistake is there, so we can solve, but not any mistake in the logic. So here, yes, so one blank is there. Here also one blank. Okay, now is okay. Let us check. So yes, I, because some blank is there, so that is problem. So we can give one word, then that perfect order. So because blank also consider that blank is also one character, and then compare to each other. So here we can give like one word, then I think perfectly, yes. So yes, M and M, yes, that small and capital, that also, yes. So that ASCII code is match, yes. So here is a like small and capital, so I give all small, then that better. So yes, now is perfectly. So that is a, yes, and here I let is s A to Z and Z to S. So here we can greater than. Yes, let us check. I again give the madam word. So that is a palindrome. So yes, now ascending order. Yes, so that is a first print the descending order. So greater than and less than sign is only. So blank space is not allowed. So our output is not perfectly print because also that compared to other element is there. Okay. Now we can give some like to your semester. Yes, control F8 that ascending order and F5 is CA and not any blank in between, so that other taking problem. And SAM1 means 1 is a digit, so F5 is a SAM. Yes, because so you can write like 1. Yes, that type of character means that. So F5BCSM1, that is one word. If you provide the blank, also let us check, but first I check this. So yes, A, B, C, E, F, M, N, O, S, Y. Yes, that is a ascending order. Yes. And now you can change that condition and let us again I run and first give F5BCA SAM1. Yes. So Y S O M N F E W E C B A. Yes, that perfect descending order. Okay, and again I greater than sign save and one blank piece. So what is a, so we can say that F5BCA SAM one digit. So that is a high priority means and that A B C E F, yes, that other are well. Okay, so without blank space that printed. So yes, I think yes, no taking to watch. If we can take some small example watch, not big. So madam or any one word. So here we can greater than. So here watch window, yes, and then our output window also take. And now I as only 5 character we have to check. Okay. So here str of I, yes, str of I and str of j, yes, yes, something, and then temp, yes. So I think complete. So here I and j is also separately you. So here start directly to this our trace table control F8. So red line and I run control F9. So compile and madam small capital that ASCII code is changed. Compare the ASCII code. So here M is compared to A and then M compared to D, M compared to A and again and M compared to M. So one zero index compared to the rest of, then second one means second position A is compared to the rest of all elements. So that is a selection shot. Yes. So let us check how it's. So here I press that is madam F7 function key. That is a tracing start. Here you have to know very well. I think yes, tracing to F7 and here I initialize to 0 and J I plus 1. So that is a second. Otherwise that compare itself. You can also J initialize 0, but that same element. So here M is 0 index and A is a 1 index. So both are compared. So that ASCII code is compared. So that ASCII code is a like M is a greater than J because A is a 97 and M is a big that 97 to up to count that ASCII code. 97 is small a and then M2 that plus plus 1 that all A B C D. Okay. So ASCII code you have to know very well. 97 to 122 is a small a to z and capital 65 to 909, that is small capital Z, a to z capital. Okay, so here that condition is a yes true. So swap interchange A is placed take first 0 position and then again I plus plus. So now that I 0. Okay, so 0 is taking now A compared to the all means now directly compare here M is a shifting to second position and 0 is a. So A compared to now D. Just here A and D compare. 0 now compare and next smallest element, but A and now I J plus was not swap because that is greater than, and now equal is not there. So A is not a swap because that same 97 ASCII code is there. ASCII code is greater than or equal to not. So that character ASCII code is compared. And now M, yes, M is greater than, but A is greater than M, no, false. So that now I plus plus, and then again J in J I plus 1. So J I is 1. So J is a 2. And then here here I just show you our first zero position, like str of 0, first element in first iteration A is set. First A is set to here. Now second array means second position str of 1, that is set to in second iteration. So that is a, now yes I set 1. Yes, now here is a first M, yes, that big size. So here I, that is button small size, yes, and press F7 again, yes. So M is a, yes, that greater than. So here our M and D, so is a greater than M to D. So that is a shifting, yes. And now J plus plus, so that second position is D, and third means that index is A. So here, so that is a, yes, that is D and greater than A, yes, that shifting. So A is a taking to our required position, yes. Now is completely, look, both A is 0 and 1 index, so ascending order, yes. And now that I is a, I think plus plus, so I is now 2, we can start 0, so I 2, and J is 3, yes. Now that 2A is set. Now here is a second means 0, 2 index, third element is a M, and then J means last 4 index, 4 position. So that is now D is there here. 2A is shifting to 0 and 1 position. So rest of all element are compare, M and D compare. So yes, greater than. So D is shifting because D is a small ASCII set to compare to M. Yes, and now then J plus plus, so that is a D and M was not shifting. And next I plus plus, so I is now 3 and J is 4, yes, last time. So that is a yes, M, so not equal to, not, a condition is false. And now directly I plus plus, and J is a I plus, so 5. So I think condition is a false because that is a J and I, so 5 only letter, but index start with 0. Our element is set first A, and like directly print because that is putS. So A, D, M, M. So that is our ascending orders. So just I show you. So you can give one word or blank you have to print, but not proper order, that sometimes that print. So we can testing in first our example. This is pen, but not perfect order if printed. So yes, I think that is a ascending order 1D array, string array, and that selection sort. And selection sort technique is very easy. So 0 element compared to the rest of all elements. So here is a 0, and here we can start the I plus 1. So 0 index start to the next, and first outer loop complete that round, means inner loop, and then I plus plus. So first 0 position is set, and now I plus plus. So second element compared to the rest of all elements. That process has continued to the number of character at end of the our string. So yes, so I think that is a very simple, yes, and ascending and selection sort and string we have to ascending or descending. Just shift your condition. If less greater than, so ascending, and less than, so descending order. So yes, write this, that is our logic. Yes, there are two nesting, and if condition is required to ascending or descending, same like in integer. So here compare the ASCII code. So based on the ASCII code, that element is a shift. So swap logic is, I mean, a shift. That swap logic we can interchange the value. So yes, I close this file. Yes, write this program to your node and ascending order and descending order. So again, I run and give some different, like now I give, we can string is there. So like Sitaram. So that AAIMRST, all 2A is coming to up first, means AIMRST. Yes, so it is ascending, and here you can shift your condition. So here is a descending. Yes, any give the name. So one word, but blank page is sometimes not taking perfect result. So Sitaram again give, and TSRMIAA, that is A is last because that is a descending order. So depend upon your condition, ascending or descending. Okay. So now I complete this session. So very simple, and we can also trace and check over. And here both use, yes, your outer loop we can, that is null, because every string terminate with null value. So look like this, or both are used very, but that is more used in programming. That is also used but less. So now I close this file, yes, and quit output message and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sityalekuni. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.